If you're experiencing pending transfers on your Google account, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Google account and navigate to the Payments section. Look for the pending transfers to see the current status and any notifications related to them. Step 2. Verify payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Check for any issues with your bank account or card that could be causing the delay. Step 3. Review transfer details. Double-check the details of the transfer, including the recipient's information and the amount. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any errors that could lead to a pending status. Step 4. Contact support. If the transfer remains pending after verifying the details, reach out to Google support. Provide them with the necessary information about the transfer for assistance in resolving the issue. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient as they investigate the issue. Keep an eye on your email for updates or further instructions from Google regarding your pending transfer. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on your Google account. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or community help for additional tips.